Welcome to Nihit's Maths as usual. Today in this session, we are going to learn about the remaining problems what we have missed in video 9th about logarithms. Okay, let's move on to 5, 6, 7 problems in 1.5. Okay, let's move to the fifth problem. I read this problem. Prove that 2 log of x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y if x square plus y square equal to 25xy. In this problem, I take LHS as x square plus y square equal to 25xy. Here you see, we have to prove log. So we have to add log. We got it. So I add 2xy both sides for this equation. Then I will get x square plus y square plus 2xy. On the right hand side, I get 25xy plus 2xy, that equal to 27xy. In LHS, we have x square plus y square plus 2xy. That means it is the square of x plus y. Yes, we know the formula, algebraic formula, what we have learnt in our early classes. So x plus y whole square equal to 27xy. Here I take log either side. So I get log of x plus y whole square equal to log of 27xy. On the right hand side, you observe that 27xy is in the form of product. So it's split into addition. So I get log 27 plus log x plus log y. On the left hand side, there is power. Square is a power. So I bring 2 to the front of log and multiply it. So 2 log of x plus y equal to log 27 plus log x log y. Here we can write 27 as cube of 3. So 3 into 3 into 3. That means 3 cube. 27 we can write 27 as 3 cube. So I got log 3 cube. So again it is in the formula of log x power n. So I bring power 3 to the front of log and multiply it. 3 log x. So finally I get 2 log of x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So we can prove it very easily. In first step, I just add 2xy. After that, I take log and I use here x power m formula and log xy formula, that is log x plus log y. I think that's it. I think it is clear to all. If you feel somehow any difficult, then see again this clip again. Okay, right. I move to another problem, sixth problem. You see, sixth problem is coming to sixth problem. I like to read this problem. Find x by y plus y by x equal to how much if log of x plus y by 3 equal to half of log x plus log y. For this, I take the content what is given, that is log of x plus y by 3 equal to half of log x plus log y. You observe in the LHS, that means what we have to find out the thing x plus y, x by y plus y by x, there is no log. So we have to remove the log from our equation by using some logical steps. So I take this equation in right hand side. You observe here log x plus log y is there. That means there is a plus symbol middle of 2 logs. So I can combine this 2 logs as log n, that is log xy. So it is a regular formula. I think it is a fourth property logarithms. So I combine log x plus log y is log xy, and I bring off to the power of xy as per the formula of power law 6th property, m log x equal to log x power m. So I got LHS as log xy power of, that means 1 by 2. So I can convert of as root, so log of root xy. On the left hand side you see log of x plus y by 3. Right hand side you observe that log of root xy. Here I remove log either side, so I get x plus y by 3 equal to root over x. For getting the answer, I take square both sides. So x plus y by 3 whole square on the left hand side and right hand side root xy whole square. It is clear that you know what is going to be. Here 2 is cancelled with root, so I got xy. I got xy. And on the left hand side you see x plus y whole square is numerator, so I get x square plus y square plus 2xy. It is simply algebraic formula. And the denominator is 3, so when we take square for 3 we get 9. And again I transform this 9, it is in the division position, so it will product the right hand side equation. So xy into 9 equal to 9xy. And again I transpose the 2xy to right hand side. So finally I get x square plus y square equal to 9xy minus 2xy equal to 7xy. But we have to find the x by y plus y by x. So for that I take xy from 7xy. You see 7xy are multiplied. So I take this xy variable to left hand side, so it will divide the left hand side equation. So x square plus y square by xy equal to 7. Here you observe xy divides both two terms. So x square by xy gives x into x by x into y. That means x cancelled with x, so x cancelled by x, so I get x by y. In the same way y square by xy, that means y into y by x into y. Y cancelled by y, so y by x is remain. Finally I get x by y plus y by x equal to 7. That's enough. What we have to find the value is x by y plus y by x equal to 7. Let's move to another problem. Okay, right? Okay, coming to 7th problem. Find 1 by x minus 1 by y if 2.3 whole for x equal to 0.23 whole for y equal to 1000. Okay, it is given. We have to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y is how much. For this I take the equation 2.3 whole for x equal to 0.3 whole for y equal to 1000. I take the first 2.3 whole for x, I equate the 2.3 whole for x to 1000, and again I equate 0.23 whole for y to 1000. First I take the equation 2.3 whole for x equal to 1000. 1000 we know it is the cube of 10, that means 10 cube. And I transpose power of x of power x to right hand side, then I get 2.3 equal to 10 power 3 by x. We know this way in our 9th standard well. Next I take log both sides for this equation, then I got log of 2.3 base 10. Here I take base is 10. We know you usually use the common logarithm, that is as base 10. So log 2.3 base 10 equal to log of 10 power 3 by x to the base 10. Here you observe it is in the formula of right hand side is in the formula of log x power m. So I get it is 3 by x. I take it is equation 1. And again take the second information which is given in our indent, that is 0.23 whole for y equal to 1000. I write 1000 as 10 cube. Again I bring y to right hand side. I get 0.23 equal to 10 for 3 by y, and again I take log either sides, so I get log of 0.23 to the base 10 equal to log of 10 power 3 by y to the base 10. It is clear that it is 3 by y because it is in formula of log x power m to the base x. It is application of log x power m formula, power law. So I take this equation is 2. Here observe, we have to find the 1 by x minus 1 by y. So in the result there is a minus. So we have to minus these two equations, then we will get the answer. So I take subtraction for equations. So I subtract 2 from 1. So 1 minus 2 equal to log 2.3 to the base 10 minus log 0.23 to the base 10 equal to 3 by x minus 3 by y. Here you observe 3 is common. So I take 3 outside. So I get 3 into 1 by x minus 1 by y. Here you observe on the left hand side, you see log 2.3 minus log 0.23. There is minus in the middle of two logs. So we can combine these two logs as division. So log of 2.3 by 0.23. It is basic formula. You know, it is property of, I think, fifth property what we have discussed in logarithm formulas. So log 2.3 by 0.23 to the base 10. Here the number 2.3 by 0.23 equal to, simply it is 5. So because tens divided by 100, so we get 10. So log 10 by 10 equal to 1. Log 10 by 10 equal to 1. It is simply formula. It is third formula, third property. So in right hand side you see 3. So I take 3 to left hand side. So I get 1 by 3 equal to 1 by x minus 1 by y. So finally 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. It is clear, I think. You see more and more times, then you will catch it well. So see again and again. Notes is given. You write down the notes and prepare well. Thank you. We will meet in sets. నోట్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది, స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ తీసుకోండి, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, రాయండి, జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ నోట్స్లో ఏమైనా డౌట్ వస్తే వాట్సాప్లో డౌట్స్ అడగండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. బాయ్. సెట్స్లో కలుద్దాము. సెట్స్కి ఒక పాట కూడా సిద్ధం చేసాము. పాట చాలా బాగుంటుంది, రెడీగా ఉండండి.